Hello future engineers, there is a video in fluid statics. Before anything else, I would like to suggest for your effective preparation to your quiz or to your board exams, then you have to solve this problem after the statement of the problem and the figure are provided. Then compare your answers with the answers here. So as I said, that's the best way, effective way of preparing yourselves or training yourselves. If you cannot do that, then the next suggestion is you have to mute this video so that you will just see the animations to the solutions, and I hope that you can still follow, you can still analyze the formulation of the equations. And third is this is less effective if you pass forward the video till the end, then pause it, then you just read the solutions. If you can follow, that's also good. So all those three suggestions are best suggestions to train yourselves. But the first one is the one that will surely let you pass your board exams. But for those who cannot do the three or any one of the three suggestions, then you just read the problem, then hear my explanation and solutions. But I cannot tell if you will pass your board exam just once. So here is the problem for the triangular plate shown in contact with water on one side. Compute the force F, moment about AB, and moment of the force about AC. Solved in two ways. So this is the figure. Then this is the orientation of the vertical triangular plate. That's the centroid. So the centroid is located 2/3 of 1.5, so 1 meter from C, and horizontally 1/3 of 1.2, 0.4 from AC. So this is the positive Y and positive X axis, positive Y, positive X axis, then the centroidal axis. So if CP really lies here, this is AHP is positive, EVP is also positive. So as I said, that's 0.4. This is 2/3 of 1.5, so 1. So that means this is 0.5. This is AHP and that's EVP. So if this is the true position of center of pressure where F acts, then both AHP and EVP are positive. If AHP is negative, then it lies here. So for the first solution, for F, it is specific weight of water, 9.81, then HG is zero point 0.9 plus 1, so it's 1.9. Then area, of course, 1/2 of 1.2 times 1.5. So in 3D view for the alternate solution or second solution, we have here our strip, DF. The length of the strip is X, the thickness is dy, and DF acts at the centroid of that rectangular strip because the pressure on that strip is constant, the same, because the vertical distance of any point on this strip from the water surface is the same, zero point 0.9 plus y in general. So F is specific weight of water, Hg area, as I mentioned, Hg is zero point 0.9 plus 1, so 1.9, 9.81 gamma of water. Area 1/2 of 1.2 times 1.5, and that is zero point 0.9 square meter. This is zero point 0.9. So F is 16.775 kilonewtons, 16.78 that's also the accepted final answer. So I just make it accurate here. For the alternate solution, dF is pressure over this area times differential area, which is x dy, or F is integral 0 to 4 of pressure dA. The pressure at this level is specific weight of water 9.81, and the vertical distance is quantity 0.9 plus y. dA is x dy. So integral 0 to 1.5, so that's 1.5. Then quantity 0.9 plus y, pressure at that level, then area x dy. So we must express x in terms of y by similar triangle shown. X as to y equals 1.2 as to 1.5. So x is 0.8 of y. Substitute here, f is 9.21 integral from 0 to 1.5 of quantity 0.9 times 0.9 plus y, 0.8 y dy. So using your high-tech calculator, you may evaluate that manually by power formula. F is 16.775 kilonewtons. So next, for moment about AB, so F is acting here and it is pointing backward. So if we curl our four fingers, the direction of moment would be in that direction. So it is positive, just like this direction, positive X direction here. So moment about AB is equal to F times the moment arm is this, and this moment arm is equal to 0.5, because this is 0.5 minus EVP. So moment AB is F times 0.5 minus EVP. ISA VP is equal to, because we already have triangular plates just like before, so I proceed directly to the formula: height of triangle square over 18 hg, and height of triangle 1.5 hg is 0.9 plus 1, 1.9. So AVP is 1.5 square over 18 times 1.9, and that is 5 over 76. So substitute, moment AB is 16.775 times 0.5 minus 5 over 76, and that is equal to 7.284 kilonewton meter positive, meaning the direction, the right thumb is pointing in that direction, just like this. For the alternate solution, we have moment AB is integral of dF times this moment arm. This moment arm is 1.5 minus y. So moment AB is integral of dF times quantity 1.5 minus y. dF is, we copy this is dF. Then using the high-tech calculators, 9.81 integral 0 to 1.5 of 0.9 plus y times 0.8 y dy, moment arm 1.5 minus y. So using your high-tech calculator, it is also 7.284 kilonewton meter with the same sense. Next is moment about AC. If we follow right thumb rule, our right thumb will be pointing in the positive y direction, so it is positive, and it is equal to F times this distance. If AHP is positive, that's really the actual location of center pressure, so it is 0.4 plus AHP, where AHP is equal to IGXY over IGXY sine theta. Sine theta is again 1 because the plate is vertical, over area HG, where IGXY is equal to, so it's positive because of this orientation. The area lies in that quadrant and in this quadrant. So you imagine this is the origin, so it lies in the first and third quadrant where the product xy is positive. So we expect that this is positive. So IgXY is b square h square over 72. So 1.2 square, 1.5 square over 72 divided by area 0.9, 1 half of 1.2 times 1.5, and Hg is 1.9. So AHP is equal to 1 over 38 meter. So substitute in this formula, moment AC is 16.775 times quantity 0.4 plus 1 over 38. So moment AC is 7.151 kilonewton meter positive, same sense as the positive y direction. Then next is the alternate solution is it is df times x over 2. If that is x over 2, this is also x over 2. So moment AC is integral of df times x over 2, same limits 0 to 1.5. So substitute moment AC integral 0 to 1.5, 9.81 times quantity 0.9 plus y x dy, so that's df, then moment arm x over 2. So it is 9.81 over 2 integral from 0 to 1.5 of quantity 0.9 plus y, and x is 0.8 of y, then quantity square because that's x square dy. Using your high-tech calculator, you may solve it manually using manually by power formula. Then you'll get MAC equals 7.151 kilonewton meter. Indeed, same sense. And the third way is we draw a line through CP and we call the length as L. So it is F times L over 2, and that's L. So L over 2 because uh, the bounding sides of the areas are straight. We can only apply this if the bounding sides are straight. So by similar triangles, L as to 1 plus EVP, which is 5 over 76, equals 1.2 as to 1.5. So L is equal to 81 over 95 meter. Then substitute F, moment AC is 16.775 times half of 81 over 95. And we'll get the same answer, same value. Then uh, finally, we sh show uh, these moments and the force 3D as well as the senses. So that's it. These are the senses. So that's it for this video.